In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a table on Canva. So get to your Canva. So I'm going to just click any of this, any of the sizes, depending on what you want to use it for, maybe whiteboards or stuff. But I'm going to just choose any of this, any of the filters and just use it for it. So here we are. So what are you going to do if you want to create a table? You go to elements. These are sizes and shapes. So the one that relates to a table more, depending on what you want to do, is the square. So you size it depending on the amount of rows and columns you want. You just size it to your desired shape, and there you go. You drop it. So now you want to duplicate this, right? So just copy here, Control V. You duplicate this. You see duplicate at the top. You just copy the table and paste it. Now you duplicate this depending on how many rows you want. Now you have them. So you want to change the colors. You want to change the colors of your table. Here, this is one for the colors for your table. Edit the color, put the suitable one, maybe depending on the one you want. Highlight them individually and put your colors right there. And you highlight, you put your colors. So now since you're here, you just click on Control C. Just copy it. Now you've copied this, then you duplicate this one more time and drag it down. Drag it down to anywhere you want it to be. So when you have it here now, then the what you copied, you now have your Control V. Make sure they are the same size. You would continue resizing until you have the same size with both sides, and yeah, they're all on blue. You still have another Control V, as much as possible, as many times as you have to do it to get desired amount of tables you want. So amount of rows or columns you want, and give your desired space. So you see it's giving natural measurement of what it should be. So basically this is it if you want to create a table. So if you want to also impute a text in it, this is where you can change the color of the text you want to use. So this, let's check black for this and know what it will be like to input a text in it. So this is basically it. Resize your tables and save your work. You're done.